So we've seen that often the main challenges when trying to bring a circular product to market is not really just the design of the product, but rather the whole system all around the product. So what can Green Village and what can you tell us about the systems thinking?
We think there are 4 different aspects of challenges you can face if you're innovating.
Yeah.
So one of them is indeed the system thing about the technology and how does it fit into the system. The other thing is that there should be an appropriate business model. We also, as society, should want to embrace your innovation or your idea, and also there should be it should fit into the laws and regulations applied to the area where you want to put it in.
Okay, like your model up
Yes,
here.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
So, and together with all those 4 different stakeholders, you should try to...
So the stakeholders, engineers, entrepreneurs, general public and government.
Yes,
nice.
And they should all come together to get those challenges and to get solutions.
The pieces of the puzzle.
Yes.
I'm reading here.
Yeah,
so that if you put those pieces of the puzzle together, so let's just look at it. Engineers looking at technology and systems, entrepreneurs looking at the business model, societal embracement because that's the general public, and government looking at legislation and regulation.
Yes.
Put that all together, and that's your approach here in Green Village.
Yes.
Nice.
So if you're missing one of those puzzles, you come here and you test, demonstrate, and refigure how you should do it better.
I get it. So putting the whole system together, not just the design of things, which would be the technology and systems of the engineers, but the whole thing all together. Okay. So one of the things that we're interested in as well is startups and new business and entrepreneurship. So how does Green Village help with that?
Well, we see it more as if you have an idea or a concept or you want to make something, you're going into this innovation funnel. You're thinking about an idea and you want to have it to the market. And you have different steps you're gonna go through in order to get to this, to the big wide world. We think that normally you think about one idea, you're gonna make it and you apply it into a pilot location. But we think that if you be one step in front of it, so first start at a Green Village, test and demonstrate your product, face the challenges, try to develop your innovation in a bigger way. You have a kind of a hop, step, jump, and you go faster to this market application.
I like
that's
that.
more the idea.
So it's a safe play space when in the early stages of a startup where you can do the hop from theory and lab to Green Village.
And you're allowed to make mistakes.
Yeah.
And you're learning by doing.
Yeah.
So with that idea, you're making a smaller step at the beginning, but you're getting further and faster in the end.
And I notice after Green Village, you've got pilot locations. So this is where the business is now going out into the field and actually really doing stuff.
So if you're done here and you're ready to scale up, you go to a pilot location or to somewhere else.
But here you have a lot of other companies around as well. So you've got like a company infrastructure around.
Yes.
So although it's still within the campus, it's more like the world outside.
Yes.
Okay, I get it. Well, thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome.